Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. You must be on a creator or business account to see professional dashboard options. Once done, open the Instagram app and tap your profile. Make sure the app is updated to avoid missing menus. Next, go to Settings right arrow account to verify the account type and note any linked Facebook page. Having that info ready speeds removal. Now tap Professional Dashboard to begin the cancellation steps that follow. You will now remove the professional features. Tap Professional Dashboard, then find Account Settings. Choose Switch Account Type and select Switch to Personal. This reverses the creator or business status. Make sure to disconnect any linked Facebook page and turn off promotions, shopping, or branded content tools, as those keep the professional flags active. Once you switch, review your profile and insights access. Some data may remain limited after the change for a short period. Finish by confirming the change. Go to Settings right arrow account and verify it shows personal. Log out and restart the app to force the update. If the dashboard still appears, clear the app cache or reinstall. If Professional Dashboard persists after 24 hours, use Settings right arrow help right arrow report a problem to contact Instagram support and explain you switched to personal but dashboard remains. One key tip: keep screenshots of your account type and timestamps to speed support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.